another slang lesson. This one, slang lesson 7, lucky 7s. As always, a reading section for you, 4 new terms, although today I would say only one of them is truly slang. The rest are, you'll find them in the dictionary. They're relaxed, they're informal, but they're not slang. Before we get to that, let's do a quick review. I tell you what, that beanie is rad. Have you seen the new Marvel movie? Whoa, it's rad. Rad. Awesome. Fantastic. Rad. How about, guys, I've got to bail. Don't bail. Make sure you stay for the whole lesson. Bail. It means to leave. Or it could mean to give up. Look, I totally bailed on that business idea. I gave up on that business idea. Bail. Okie dokie. Review is done. Let's get into today's new words. Here we go. A backhanded compliment. A backhanded compliment. So a compliment is when you say something nice about someone. Okay? A backhanded compliment is when maybe you think you're saying something nice, but when you think about it, it's not that nice at all. Let me give you an example. You know, your Instagram account makes you look really fun. So if you think about that, what I want to say is, like, your Instagram account makes you look fun. But when I think about it, it's like, well, but you're not fun, is what it sounds like. Listen again. Your Instagram account makes you look fun. But in reality, you're not fun. Okay? Or, you're smarter than you look. You don't look smart, but you are. You're smarter than you look. So that's a backhanded compliment. The next one. To badmouth someone. To badmouth someone. See that guy there? He's a total backstabber. All he does is badmouth people behind their backs. Badmouth. To talk negatively about someone or something. People get online and they've got a vent. Oh, and I didn't like that restaurant. The service was not very good. They're just bad-mouthing the restaurant. They're putting it down, okay? Bad-mouth. The next one. Knock. So you got knock, 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 knock. Okay, not that knock. This one, to knock. To criticize. To knock. Hey, stop knocking him. Stop criticizing him. Knock. Do you know what? A lot of people out there knock our politicians. But some of them are pretty good. Knock. Criticize. And finally, crook. A crook. Today's reading is all about a very famous lady who, do you know what? At one time she was a crook. Crook. That's just criminal. Someone who's been caught for doing something wrong. Yesterday, I was walking home and this crook stole my wallet. Dang it! Crook. Criminal. Okay, it's crunch time for me. High pressure situation. The reading section. This one. It is Martha Stewart. Martha Stewart is an icon. Cooking, how to look after the house or the garden, etc. Martha Stewart, although she was once a crook who got in trouble for insider trading, is today's reading. Remember, I'm going to read, then you read, me, you, 5 times. Okay? Let's get this show on the road. Martha Stewart is an iconic American businesswoman and media personality. Most well known for her Martha Stewart Living magazine and her brief incarceration for insider trading, Stewart has been both praised and knocked for her business dealings. As much as people might like to badmouth her, the fact remains that Stewart has inspired many with her practical homemaking and cooking hints and tips. I actually like the show she does with Snoop Dogg. Martha Stewart and Snoop Dogg's potluck dinners. Okay, that's a lot of fun. Check it out. But I don't have time to stick around. I've got a jet. So I'll see you next time at Oyster Cafe, where we keep English real. Bye.